Waste management through lean tools. Leveraging lean principles and methodologies to optimize waste reduction and drive operational excellence. Introduction to lean principles. Focus on delivering maximum value to customers. Eliminate waste in all forms. Empower employees to identify problems and implement solutions. Achieve greater efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. Waste identification and elimination. Analyze your operations. Implement proven lean techniques. 5S methodology for workspace organization. Remove unnecessary items. Arrange items for easy access. Clean and maintain workplace. Develop consistent practices. Continue improvements. Just-in-time production and inventory reduction. Align production with real-time customer demand. Use Kanban systems and other pull-based mechanisms. Maximize flow and flexibility. Kaizen continuous improvement approach. Foster a culture. Incremental, employee-driven enhancements. Eliminate waste. Enhance processes. Implement rapid PDCA, plan do check act, cycles. Poker yoke error-proofing techniques. Design fail-safe mechanisms. Implement simple, low-cost solutions. Integrating lean tools for waste management. Combine 5S, Kaizen, and poker yoke. Leverage just-in-time production value stream mapping. Empower employees to drive incremental changes. Unleash the power of lean for waste reduction. Embrace lean principles. Empower employees. Dear customer, explore complete quality solutions with Integro-Q solutions. Visit our website for more information and discover how we can support your journey toward excellence.